Bonjour, ça va? Today we are talking about the very hungry caterpillar in French. So to do this, we have to first of all revise our fruit and our numbers, and then we'll be able to enjoy the story together. So let's spend a little bit of time revising fruit. So we're going to use numbers with fruit, just like in the story. Écoute et répète. Let's revise the fruit. Une pomme. Très bien. Une poire. Excellent. Une prune. Très bien. Une orange. Super. Une fraise. Excellent. Une pastèque. Très bien. Okay, now we need to revise our numbers together. Let's count together. Can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. Let's try again a bit faster. Can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Très bien. Let's say them all really fast. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your turn. Super. One more time. Me first, you next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your turn. Super. You've learned all the way to 20, so to 6 is very easy, but that's what we need for the story. Okay, now let's make it a little bit more complicated. We're going to use the number and the fruit. So we've learned an apple, which is same as one apple, which is une pomme. So une pomme is one apple. Yeah, does it make sense? So how would you say 2 pears? You know how to say 2 and you know how to say pears. How would you say that? Can you say it? So the word for 2 is deux. Well done. And how do you say pears? Poire. Très bien. So 2 poires is 2 pears. Now, how would you say 3 plums? You know how to say 3, which is trois. Très bien. And you know how to say plums. Ooh. Which is prune. Très bien. So 3 prunes is 3 plums. Well done. Now, how would you say 4 strawberries? How do you say 4? 4. Très bien. And you know the word for strawberries. It starts with fraise. 4 fraises is 4 strawberries. Well done. Now, how would you say 5 oranges? How do you say 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orange. 5 orange is 5 oranges. Yeah? Well done. Okay, let's practice. Look at the picture, count the fruit and tell me in French the answer. So how many of these fruits? For example, can you count how many apples there are and tell me in French? Shall we do it together for the first one? Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So how would you say 6 apples? 6 pommes. Très bien, 6 pommes. Now your turn for pears. Can you count the pears? Pause the video if I'm going too fast. Count the pears and tell me the number in French. You ready? Shall we do the answer together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So how would you say 5 pairs? 5 poires. Très bien. Next one. Prune. How many prune, plums? Pause the video to try and work out the answer before I tell you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. How would you say 7 plums? 7 prunes. Très bien. Next one. Strawberries. Des fraises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So how would you say it? 4 fraises. Très bien. Did you get it right? Last one. Count the oranges. Orange. Pause the video if you need more time. 1, 2, 3. So 3 oranges is 3 orange. Super. Excellent. Now, a little bit more complicated. We're going to say the day, the number, and the fruit, just like the story. Le lundi, elle croque dans une pomme. Which day is it? Le lundi. On Monday. Elle croque, she eats, une pomme. One apple. Whoop, too fast. Well done. Next. Le mardi, elle croque dans 2 poires. What day is this? Le mardi? Tuesday. Elle croque dans 2 poires. She eats 2 pears. Le mercredi, elle croque dans 3 prunes. On Wednesday, she eats 1, 2, 3 prunes. 3 plums. Well done. Le jeudi, elle croque dans 4 fraises. 1, 2, 3, 4. What day is that? Jeudi. On Thursday, she eats 4 fraises. 4 strawberries. Très bien. The last one. Le vendredi, elle croque dans 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On what day is that? Vendredi. Friday. How many oranges does she eat? 5. 5. Well done. Okay. Now let's have a look at the story together. Okay. Okay. In French, it's called la chenille qui fait des trous. That's the very hungry caterpillar in English. Dans la lumière de la lune, un petit œuf se repose sur une feuille. Aussitôt, un beau dimanche matin, le soleil se lève. Une minuscule chenille sort de l'œuf. Elle a très faim. She's very hungry. Aussitôt, elle part à la recherche de nourriture. J'ai faim. She is hungry. Le lundi, elle croque dans une pomme et elle y fait un trou. Mais elle a encore faim. She's still hungry. Le mardi, elle croque dans 2 poires. Elle y fait 2 trous. Mais elle a encore faim. Le mercredi, elle croque dans 3 prunes. Elle y fait 3 trous. Mais elle a encore faim. She's still hungry. Le jeudi, elle croque dans 4 fraises. Elle y fait 4 trous. Mais elle a encore faim. She's still hungry. Le vendredi, elle croque dans 5 oranges. Elle y fait 5 trous. Mais elle a encore faim. Le samedi, elle croque dans un morceau de gâteau, un cornet de glace, un cornichon, un bout de fromage, un saucisson, une sucette, un quartier de tarte aux cerises, une saucisse, une brioche, une tranche de pastèque. Cette nuit-là, elle a mal au ventre. Ouh là là, she has a bellyache that night. Maintenant, elle n'a plus faim du tout. She's not hungry anymore. Mais elle n'est plus une petite chenille. Elle est devenue grosse et grasse. Elle se construit une maison, un cocon, et s'y blottit. She builds herself a cocoon. 2 semaines plus tard, quand elle le perce pour en sortir, what do you think happens when she comes out of it 2 weeks later? Elle est devenue un superbe papillon. She is now a beautiful butterfly. Okay, I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint to be able to show you what you're doing for your worksheet today. Okay, so today for your worksheet, I would like you to cut the days and the numbers and the fruit that I've put at the bottom here and stick them in the correct place. So I've done the first one for you. So the first day, it's about the story. So lundi, on Monday, she eats 1 apple, une pomme. So I've put lundi next to the apple and une pomme. So I would like you to do the same here. Put the days here, the numbers and the fruit. And they're all here, you just have to cut them and stick them. Okay? Bon travail. Au revoir.